Okay, welcome to 25 West, 1st South in Sugar City, Idaho. Just want to show you this home. This is located on a beautiful corner lot in downtown Sugar City. We'll go ahead and walk in this door here. And you can see as you come in the front door, you have this really nice laid out living room, beautiful floors, and kitchen nook, large kitchen with lots of cabinets, and the dining area. Dining area frames in those windows, gives it a really nice feel and look. All the appliances are included in the kitchen. Your microwave, range oven and fridge, dishwasher. Just back into the kitchen and pan over into the living room. Lots of light, really good ambient light coming in this home. Newer vinyl windows. Just really well put together. Just across from the kitchen is a very large pantry. You can see the size of that pantry. Lots and lots of space there. You got your crawl space access there. You can see just the oodles and oodles of room. Attic access there. Going back into the hallway, you've got a little decorative nook here on the left. And to the right, you have your laundry center. And then, of course, that goes into the garage door. Left is the bathroom. This bathroom has been remodeled. Very nicely done. It's a tiled surround in the shower, tub shower combo. And then at the end of the hall, there's a nice sized storage closet. And then bedroom number 1 here. Cute little windows. And then across the hall is bedroom number 2. This one's a little larger. They're utilizing this as their master bedroom. And I'll take you through the garage and show you the backyard in just a minute, but I just wanted you to see. I got a little fenced in garden area back there, a little swing fire pit. It's really cool little usable functional backyard. Closet. Okay, down the hall again. I'll just stop here so you can kind of get a feel of the flow of the home. And one more time, the kitchen. And let's go into the garage. Really nice 2-car garage. Opener. There's just off the landing here, the steps, there's a little closet. A storage closet. They've got shelves built in, and the door to the side yard. Just kind of show you some of the shelving for storage, and then the fenced in yard. It is fully fenced, so really dog friendly. They've got this deck on the back of this house for your outdoor living, and the backyard. Swing gates there for your lawnmower or what have you, getting back in here. Beautiful home. If you have any questions on this house, you're welcome to reach out to us, the Countrywide Properties Group, Keller Williams Realty, East Idaho. You can call us at 208-356-7300. We'd love to schedule a personal tour of the home. Thank you for watching the virtual tour.